Oh, a Memorial Day milestone. 70% of Marylanders now have at least one dose of the COVID vaccine. Plus, all of our key metrics continue to fall. WJZ live outside of M&T Bank Stadium tonight. Rachel Mendentoff explains what this means and what we still need to do here. Rachel.
Rick, one doctor we talked to today says he's cautiously optimistic because what this means is that we now have enough people with immunity, so our numbers will continue to decline.
Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Maryland is leading the way. 70% of adults now have at least one COVID shot.
It's a blessing, and we should always take advantage of that.
White House Chief of Staff Ronald Klain tweeted that Maryland is the 12th state to reach this milestone. Over the weekend, Governor Hogan said it was an ambitious goal, but that once again, our healthcare heroes have risen to the occasion, as have millions of Marylanders.
It's basically having reached a threshold of what many people think is herd immunity levels.
Dr. Jonathan Thierman is with LifeBridge Health. He says the number of people vaccinated is high, and as a result, people are resisting the disease quicker than it can spread. That's why our infections are going down.
We've reached this 70% milestone. What do we need to do now? What comes next?
The holy grail would be to drive this disease down to very, very, very low levels. So continuing to vaccinate would be important. 80% is better than 70%, 90% is better than 80%.
It also allows local jurisdictions to ease restrictions. For example, Anne Arundel County announced Tuesday that staff will return to work on July 5th, and it's opening all government buildings to the public on July 19th.
It really does make government more efficient, but we have to be really deliberate and careful about how we make the transition back.
Kennedy Hooper is a senior at Towson University, which requires all students and faculty be vaccinated in time for the fall semester.
And that was like my most concern, is to feel protected when I go back to school on campus. Because I do go to a big campus, there's going to be a lot of students there.
Dr. Thierman says to keep up this positive trend, it will eventually be important to follow up with annual or semi-annual booster shots in accordance with future regulations, of course. Live outside M&T Bank Stadium, I'm Rachel Mendentoff for WJZ.